First, drop some butter into the pan and add a little bit of oil to prevent the butter from burning. Next, sow the garlic and onion once the oil is hot. Gently add the fish one by one. Add 2 cups of water to the fish to create its broth. Place the sweet potato tops and jute leaves on top of the fish. After that, cover and boil until the shoots and leaves are steamed and cooked. Open the lid and check if the leafy greens have wilted. Let's add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce to our dish to make it even tastier. Add 1 piece of shrimp cube. I'm really sorry. I wasn't able to turn on the camera when I added the original sample mix. Sometimes I neglected it. My sincere apology. To spread the flavor evenly over the fish and leaves, you pour the sauce all over the fish by the use of the spoon while cooking so that everything becomes flavorful. Let's taste it to see if the flavor is just right. It's still a bit bland. Let's add more fish sauce. It's now done and ready. Here is the final product of my dish. Give it a try, it's super delicious. If you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel.